Hey friends, how you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Today I show you how to create a 6 Slap House remix in 5 simple steps. Before we start with the steps, here is a funny meme. Ha ha. So let's get it. Step 1. Get a nice vocal. You can take vocals from different vocal packs, or find a good singer on the internet to collaborate with.
I hear the drums echoing tonight.
Or just sing the vocal yourself.
Call me Mr. Flintstone.
Or you do it like guys like Amanbek, Gulen and Dinoro. You download a song you want to remix. But keep in mind that you can't upload it as an original remix on Spotify though. So I pick a song I want to remake, I throw it into the Isotopar X7, and I cut out everything except the acapella. Now I got the acapella. It is not 100% clean, but it's okay. Step 1 is ready. Step 2 is the most essential step, a nice bass line. I take some sick presets from my Slap House pack and throw it in. Now I create a bass line real quick. It is very simple, but it's catchy. For the breaks in the track I pick a Reese bass, and I create a simple bass line. Done. Step 3 are the drums. Pick a kick, some claps or snares and a hi-hat and create the most simple drum pattern you ever made and you're done. Step 4 is also very important. We have to give our track a nice filling background atmosphere. Therefore, we add some downfilter samples, risers, and Atmos sounds to fill up the track in the high frequencies. It gives it an overall space which is very nice. Step 5 is arrangement. Arrangement is very important to keep the attention of your listener. So, the track starts in your face with the drums and everything, then comes a break with the re-space, and then a little build-up and then again a drop. Then again a break with a re-space, again a build-up, and again a nice drop, and then an outro. To give your arrangement more spice and make it less repetitive, change up little things in the second break. For example, I changed up the bass line a bit. And I used a different build-up sample. Same for the second drop, I changed up the bass line. And guys, we are ready. The track is done. I set up a little timeline under the project, so you can track the arrangement even better and learn how it's done. I think it really helps you getting tracks finished, and keep in mind that all presets and samples are from my Slap House pack and it's amazing. And this sick FLP and another 4 great FLPs are included in the pack, so let's listen to the final result.
The way you think that you grew up, still look good in a blue light. I'm supposed to myself, I'm like, I like it, you like it. The way you think that you grew up, still look good in a blue light. I'm supposed to myself, I'm like, feel like I'm destined. I don't need no Smith and Wesson now. Girl, who you testing? Fuckers can't you, here's your lesson now. Knife and intestine, taking shots with all your brethren now. Feel like I'm living, feel like I'm fucking playing. All alone, call my phone, make me feel right. Girl, you know when you call, make me feel right. All alone, call my phone, make me feel right. Girl, you know when you call, make me feel right. Spotlight, the way you think that you go right. She look good in a blue light. Let's put it yourself on mine. Spotlight, the way you think that you go right. She look good in a blue light. I'm supposed to make it so by mine. Spotlight, the way you think that you go right. She look good in a blue light. Let's put it yourself on mine. Spotlight, the way you think that you go right. She look good in a blue light. Let's put it yourself white tripping, get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Look at white tripping, get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, my spotlight, moonlight. Look at white tripping, get your Mariah. Shawty look good in the moonlight. All alone, call my phone, you know when you call. All alone, call my phone, so you know who you call. Moonlight, the way you look at your blue light. She look good in the moonlight. This pussy is so bad, spotlight, moonlight. The way you look at your blue light. She look good in the moonlight. This pussy is so bad, spotlight.
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.